How to use garlic to kill mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are blood-sucking parasites that turn an enjoyable outdoor evening into a miserable one. Mosquitoes are attracted to carbon dioxide emitted through the breath of humans. Most mosquito traps contain a mechanism that emits carbon dioxide to attract mosquitoes and trap them. The best way to get rid of mosquitoes is to locate their source and destroy eggs before they hatch. In addition to commercially produced chemicals, natural products like garlic oil also help in protecting humans from mosquito bites. Things you'll need: 4 garlic bulbs, blender, strainer, spray bottle. Blend 4 garlic bulbs with a few drops of water in the blender to make a liquid. Pour the liquid through a strainer to separate the solids from the garlic oil. Add the garlic oil to 1 gallon of water. Mix well and pour into a spray bottle. Locate mosquito breeding areas such as garbage can lids, drains, dog bowls, old tires and other places where water collects. Spray the garlic oil directly on breeding areas. The garlic oil contains compounds that are toxic to mosquitoes and kill larvae and adults on contact. The spray also prevents mosquito eggs from hatching. Tips: Warnings. Clean drains and gutters that collect water, leaves and other debris regularly and enclose them. Do not use the garlic spray near pets or children.